Place flour in a small bowl. Whisk together egg and milk, and then place panko breadcrumbs in another small bowl. Dredge the onions first in the flour, then dip them in the egg mixture, and finish them by placing them in the panko to fully coat. After you bread the onion slices, bring 1 gallon water and 1 tablespoon salt to a boil, add the green beans, and boil for 5 minutes. Drain the green beans and place them in an ice water bath to halt the cooking process. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, melt the butter. Add the mushrooms and season with salt and pepper. Sauté for 5 minutes or until the mushrooms start to release their moisture. Stir in the garlic and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Sprinkle the mushrooms with flour and stir to combine. Stir in the chicken broth and simmer for 5 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium-low and stir in the half and half. Cook, stirring occasionally, for 10 minutes or until the sauce is thick. Place green beans in a large bowl. Add the sauce and 1/4 of the fried onions. Stir to combine the ingredients. Pour the green bean mixture into a casserole dish and top with the remaining fried onions, layering them evenly over the top. Bake the casserole at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes.